Hai teman, jumpa lagi di channel Fauzi Flix. Di video ini, saya akan memberikan tutorial mengedit foto di lightroom ala fotografi. Sebelum lanjut, tekan tombol like dan subscribe, dan jangan lupa share video ini agar bermanfaat bagi orang lain.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the hold close, it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago. Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down.